How to fix unable to connect accounts on Epic Games. Hello everyone, welcome back to another tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can easily fix if you are unable to connect your different platforms account on Epic Games. For example, if you're trying to connect your Switch account to your Epic Games and you're not able to do that, I'm going to show you how you can fix it. But before you get started, make sure to head down below to give this video a like and subscribe to the channel. Let's begin. So as you can see here, I have already logged into my Epic Games account. So you just have to enter your login credentials to log into the Epic Games account. And after you do that, you are going to click on support on the top of your screen, and from here you will find accounts. So just click on accounts, and from here you just want to head over to accounts. Once you get here, you just have to scroll down until you see contact us, and once you get here, this will be your username, and these top two details will be filled automatically, your username and your email. So once you do that, you can choose your platform, what you're using. Then on the accounts, you can choose what account you are having trouble with. So once you do that, on your contact reason, you're going to choose linked or console account. And here on describe problem, you are just going to tell them that you are not able to connect to your different platform account, like your console or your Xbox or anything like that. And then you have to select a file if you have one, and then you can just submit an email request. So once you do that, the Epic Games help and support team will get your request, and hopefully they will get back to you. It might take a few days, but they will get back to you with a possible solution. So that's pretty much it for this video. I'm going to see you guys on the next one.